Where's Cartman? I'm gonna give him the fist punch. Mordecai and Rigby! Ah! Whoa, Knuckles, we're so... Wait. You're not Knuckles. Dude. Do we know you? Look, you two, I am Knuckles. You sound like Knuckles, but you don't look like Knuckles. Yeah, dude. Guys, it's me, Knuckles. Dude, I think this bird stole Knuckles' voice. No, I didn't steal. You ain't stealing these voices. Dude, we gotta bail. No way, man. Come back! No way, man. If you don't come back, I'm gonna... Ooh. Hey, watch where you're going, you stupid bird. Oh! Oh! That hurt. Chef Pee-Pee! Where's Cartman? Why do you want to know? Oh! Ow! If you don't tell me where Cartman is, I will tell Chef you didn't cook me anything. I don't know who you are. Very well then. Chef Hatchet! Chef Pee-Pee didn't cook me anything. I don't know you, so I don't care. It's me, no. Okay. He's just went out with Huggy and Plink to McDonald's with Twilight. McDonald's. Thanks, Chef Pee-Pee, and sorry for hitting you. The reason I was asking you is because Cartman turned me into a bird. So, I need my normal Echidna self. Again. But really, Chef Pee-Pee, thank you. Okay. This is the best Happy Meal. Yeah. The really best. Hey guys, how come Knuckles is at McDonald's? We don't know. Cartman! Whoa! Cartman, change me back into a Echidna now! Ooh! Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Don't mess with me. You know what you did. Knuckles, what's going on? And how come you're a bird? You see, I got turned into a bird. Whoa, stop. Stay out of this, Huggy! Plank, let go of me! What's going on here? Cartman turned me into a bird. What? But I didn't. Oh, really?
But still, he's still a bird. Watch this. See, he's a bird. Did you call me a bird? Well, you look like a bird. If you look at yourself in the mirror, if you ever call me a bird one more time, and I will, hey, why I'm flying? Because you're a bird, you genius. And how am I a bird? I don't know, you become one. Just turn me back. Just turn me back. Good luck being like a bird, you genius. Birdie, 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 birdie. Oh, Cartman.
See you guys? I'm Plank. You can let me. You can let go now. You can let go of me. I'm done fighting. Not until you apologize for clawing Huggy. I said let go. For what? Because Cartman turned me into a bird. What are you talking about? I didn't turn you into a bird. Wait, if you didn't turn me into a bird, who did?